I live in a tropical region and sure it does get so hot, and when the AC decides not to work or the ceiling fans become inadequate or there's a power outage, you are in trouble. I actually bought two of this mostly for days when we have power outages. We're gonna set it up now, see how good it works, and then give you an update. Hi YouTube, welcome back, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and today we're gonna unbox and mount this 18-inch rechargeable fan. Before we continue, we're just going to look at a few general features written right here on the box. So we have the following features. Charge your phone. You can charge your phone from here. DC 5-volt output, USB. 3-speed control. You can adjust the speed of the fan by up to 3 distinct levels. Adjustable height, oscillating, quiet, almost no sound. Additional night light, and 4 to 12 hours working time. Right here on this side, more information. 18,000 mAh battery, 3-speed setting, 75-degree oscillation, long duration time, we'll see about that, sturdy base, tilt angle design, adjustable height, DC 9-volt / 3 ampere / 25 watts. Right on this side, more of the same information we've already seen before. Now that we know what to expect, let's go ahead and unbox. Straight out of the box, the fan packages includes a front cover, which probably includes the name of the company you purchased it from, and this goes on the front grille. 2 grills. Mine came with 2 front grills, but then I had to go back to the store to have the grill replaced. But you should get a rear grill and a front grill. A fan with 5 blades, each measures about 5 inches or 17 centimeters. A sturdy base that helps keep the fan upright. A 9-volt 3 ampere Li-ion charger with an indicator light. An adjustable pole that connects the base to the fan head. There is an adjustment knob which you can use to adjust the height. And finally, the fan head, which consists mainly of the motor housing and the control panel. The control panel is where you operate the fan. There are 3 energy-saving air speeds, and it also comes with a night light, which is very useful. 5 buttons in total. The light indicator helps you know when it's charging and when it's running on battery. A DC 5-volt output, and finally a USB port for charging your mobile or any other USB powered devices. You can charge this unit with a charger that came with it. Just plug it to the electricity outlet and plug into the back of the fan. The indicator light should light red to show it is charging. The fan motor housing is the main unit that houses the motor and the blades. This is a 25-watt power input fan with an 18,000 mAh 7-volt built-in rechargeable battery for a 4 to 12 hour usage depending on speed being used at the time. And finally, you also have an instruction manual. So after unboxing the pedestal fan, next step is to assemble, which is really easy. You don't need screws, nuts, and bolts, as basically the fan came pre-assembled, but make sure you have at least a screwdriver. Lay all the parts out on a clean surface and ensure that you have all the necessary parts. First, we assemble the base and the pole. Attach the pole to the base by positioning the pole into the hole on the base. To do that, we have to remove the L-shaped screw and washer. Then we later secure it by tightening it. No screwdriver needed. Adjust the height of the pole and secure it with a height adjustment knob. To set up the fan head, place the motor housing onto the top of the pole and secure it in place with a provided screw at the back. There is a small dent that aligns with the screw to have a perfect fit. Ensure it is firmly attached to prevent any wobbling. At the back here, there should be a screw. This should come with a screw. If you don't have it, like right here, you have to go search the box. So searching through the box, I got the screw and the washer. So we're just gonna go ahead, place this here, like so. The washer is gonna go in here. So you need to have the washer go in here. The screw goes in here. Screw and washer. And basically that's what's gonna hold the head from and not make it tremble. So we just drop this in, and if you can see, it fits perfectly. We get our screw, get this in here, pop the head in, and screw in with our screwdriver. Now we're going to work with the upper part. So this moves from side to side, and you have this here which you can adjust, release to either incline up or down. You can move the head up or down, and then you tighten. So the upper part, you have the head, and then you have the control right here. You can see the control has 5 buttons. The first button is for the light. Okay, when there is no electricity, you can just, put on your light. Besides that, you have 3 other buttons. First, velocity, slow, second, and then third, which is the fastest, and then the 0 to put off. You can also see we have a DC output of 5 volt. We have a USB 5 volt output. This you can use to charge your cell phones, and then you have an indicator light. We now proceed to align the grills. To align the rear grill, we start by removing the plastic clips, and after align the grill with the mounting holes on the motor housing. After that, use the plastic clips provided to attach. To attach the fan blade, slide the fan blade onto the motor shaft. Ensure it fits and secure it with a blade cap. We now proceed to attach the front grille, aligning it with the rear grille and secure both guards together. Place the front cover and finally, we plug the fan into a power outlet and turn on using the control panel and test all settings to ensure it operates smoothly. First, that's the first level. Then we have a second level. And now we have the third level. With this, we also have the light. This can work simultaneously, the light and any of the velocities, they can work simultaneously. But to put the light out, you have to turn off the whole thing. To charge this fan, we use the charger that came in the box, which is a 9 volt 3 amp charger. Just plug in at the back of the fan. And you see first it lights green. And right here below we have the plug. So we just go, we plug it, and you can see automatically it turns red here, meaning it's charging. We're going to see how long it's going to charge. The plug also shows red. Once it starts charging, the indicator light on both the charger and the fan changes to red. When fully charged, both lights changes to green. Charging time from 0 is between 4 to 6 hours. At full power, that's button number 3, charge lasts about 4 to 5 hours. At minimum power, that's button number 1, charge lasts about 10 to 12 hours. The HS188 rechargeable fan works like a breeze even on the first setting. The fan power is good and strong. The charge time may take quite a bit, but it's worth it. I was expecting something like 2 hours or less at full speed. You can tilt the fan head up or down or anywhere in between for an optionally large range that covers the entire room. Love the built-in light, and it's not heavy at all, so you can take it anywhere. And you can charge other things with it as long as they have USB. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the 18-inch rechargeable fan and how to set it up. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.